Hey y'all, so today's video is gonna be roughly really quick. I am doing an unboxing really quick. I keep saying really quick. A friend of mine, Melissa, sent me a box. I was like kind of shocked because it came in like a bigger box than normal, because I know that she created a piece of art in my honor before, and I was like, holy crap. And she had showed it to me before and sent me like pictures of it while it was being like created and things like that, and I was just like, oh my god. So she drew it and then painted it, and I'm gonna open it really quick, y'all. Excuse the face. Oh my god. Oh dear god. Petticoats and crumpets. So here we go. Arnold! I always try to give like a brief look inside the bag. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's on the canvas. Guys, check it out. Oh my god! That's so sweet! Oh, I really like it. It has texture. Is this glitter? I wanna like... Okay, I'm gonna let y'all look at it, but like... Oh my god! Look at it, y'all. It has like texture and glitter, and that's me. Probably not me right now, but okay, let me look at it real quick, y'all. I'm sorry, I gotta look. I love the glitter. I love the watercolor details. Like, I love the shadows from dark edges. I like I think that's like a light, it's like a purple lavender, dark purple with green. The color palette is amazing. I love my freaking horns. I love my green afro. And I remember her saying that this was inspired by like a drink. It's like a beverage. Now this is about to go on my wall. Why y'all be trying to love me though? I love it. Okay, I be getting way too hyped. I can't control my excitement, and I cannot control the way I react. So I know, like when I was doing my shaved side video, someone was like, stop squealing, like can you stop having a seizure? Someone said that on my Instagram, I mean my TikTok as well. And I was like, why are y'all trying to control my genuine reaction? It's not too many times that I'm super excited or like filled with true happiness, but like this time, today is definitely this time. And when I am, I can't control sometimes how I react, which usually it does consist of squealing. But y'all might hear my cat. She's outside the door, and the reason is because she rubs up on stuff. And because I have the camera on a tripod, she... Look at those little feet, bro. Why are you trying to... She is trying to get... she's trying to get inside. But anyway, she's trying to get in here. But, like, she rubs up against things. I am going to hold this up while I'm talking, okay? And about something that don't even have to do with it. But hold on, okay? I just want y'all to look. This is so exciting. Okay. But when she rubs up against things like this tripod, it will like doom like that. Like it'll tip over, because she's like a pretty big cat. And this tripod is very cheap and not sturdy at all. Like I just had to grab it to help me focus on like videos and stuff. But that's why she's meowing. So no one's torturing her. She's just spoiled. And I have to do this when it comes to this tripod setup. But anyways. I didn't know it was on a canvas. And like art, first of all, Melissa, let me just talk about Melissa real quick, okay? Let me put this down. This is Melissa, okay? Melissa sings. Melissa is actually like a badass to me. Like, we have to hang out. I am starting jobs that I never thought I would ever work, but I'm starting jobs and I'll be able to do more, especially on the weekends, like towards the later portion of the day. So we are hanging out 100%. You are so sweet. I still need to come and see you sing. I hope you don't mind me showcasing your, sending you love and showcasing your pictures and stuff. And oh my God, I want to be able to send them, like, let's say someone wants to commission a piece from you. Like, I would love to be able to send them to you. Of course, I'm going to text you tomorrow because it's kind of late right now, and see which avenue you want me to send people to, because I mean, some people do like email, and I'm going to send people to you. First of all, y'all don't know, like, for y'all who are watching, especially for the ones who are like newer to the channel and you're not really familiar with me or the way that I live, but I am so sentimental when it comes to people doing really nice things for me. And that was so freaking nice. It just makes me feel very like cared about and honored. Like, first of all, the look that she painted this like piece, that look, I had been stressing out about that look several years ago when I came up with Zylia Wood Dweller. I was stressing out because I wanted it to be perfect. And I remember wanting horns, but I wanted them to protrude out of my afro because doing the cosplay, costume / otherkin vibe, I get very excited when, I mean, it's one thing I want to say is, like, as a person whose hair naturally grows out of their head like this, and for the longest time it was actually illegal for Black women to have their hair uncovered, but like to wear my crown as a symbol of pride and like self-love and or just being so organic, and then having you freaking awesome ass artists / friends like celebrate. Oh my God, I got toes too, and wings, and my little corset thingy, and I got the tits. So my friend Candy painted something for me, and both of y'all's, like, y'all got my elf ears, y'all got my fro, the boobs, okay, the drapey garments, like, y'all literally got me to a T. And like, what the heck? Oh my God. Okay, I'm like really happy. I was gonna rearrange my room and clean up a ton and throw some things out, get rid of some stuff, sell some stuff maybe. But I wanna put an area in my room where, let's say even behind this camera, right? Just every piece of beautiful creation that was created in my honor, whether it's like cards, art. Oh my God, art is like I almost feel like I don't deserve it. Like oh my God, it just feels like really unreal. I'm about to hang this up. Y'all, look at my feet. Look how freaking cute, y'all. Oh my God, thank you, Melissa. I'm gonna send your package off probably like, let's say next week. I was gonna ask you what sizes you wore because I actually like your style. And I want to contribute to it because for some reason, I like gift giving is something that I'm really receptive to, especially when it's people that I really care about and like. And I don't know, I'm very detail oriented, so hopefully I can finish your package up by next week. And this is greatly appreciated, and I freaking love you. And thank you so much for the support. If y'all want to check out her art, I'm going to put her link below to her Instagram, and I'm pretty sure you can send her DMs and she'll get them. And if anything changes to where I get her email specifically for art pieces to be created, and if you want to inquire about that, then I'll put that information below. But of course, I'll speak to her first sometime tomorrow. But that was so